Hey guys, I'm feeling really sneezy and I don't know what it is. It might be outside or I don't know, it might be this shampoo I use. I don't know if it is, but I don't know if that's even possible, but you know, it might just be. I can't really tell you because I don't know. But might be, I don't know. But you know, it's just clueless. Oh, you're so lucky. You're probably watching this and just watching. As you know, you clicked on it and this is what you got.